Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy 5 ingredients baked salmon recipe. The salmon has a combination of garlic, butter, and lemon flavor, and it's really good. You guys will absolutely love it. So let's get started. Alright guys, I have a whole salmon here and we're going to bake the salmon as whole as it is, but you can use salmon fillet if that's what you prefer. Before you cook your salmon, make sure you take it out of the fridge and let it sit out for 15 minutes to come to room temperature. That way it cooks evenly. So while the salmon is coming to room temperature, we're going to make a flavorful butter mixture for the salmon. So in this bowl, I have some softened butter. I'm going to toss in some finely minced garlic, some freshly chopped dill going in. Dill is really good with salmon. Next, I'm going to cut a whole lemon and squeeze the juice right in. Get it all in there and make sure you remove the seeds if any gets in. Go ahead and season with salt and pepper, then mix everything together until fully combined. So by this time, your salmon should be at room temperature. Make sure you place the salmon on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. We're going to transfer the butter mixture onto the salmon and smear it all over. Make sure you get the butter mixture on the entire surface of your salmon. We don't want to miss out on any flavor. Once the salmon is smeared with the mixture, you're going to top it with sliced lemons for extra flavor. Then wrap the salmon in the aluminum foil. Make sure you cover the fish very well because we don't want the butter to ooze out while it bakes. If you need any extra foil, make sure you use it, okay guys? Once the fish is very well wrapped, we're going to bake it at 425 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until it reaches internal temperature of 145 Fahrenheit. And here it is out of the oven. It smells so good, you guys. You can serve this as it is. It looks really good, but I like my salmon with a little bit of color, so I'm going to put my oven on broil and place this on the top rack to broil for 3 minutes. And this part is completely optional. And here is the finished product. It has a nice golden brown color and I like it like this. The salmon came out very flavorful and juicy. It's seriously melts in your mouth. I served mine with cucumber salad. It was really delicious and healthy. It'll be amazing with rice or mashed potatoes as well. It's so bomb. You guys should give it a try. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. So I hope you guys enjoy spending time with me today. When you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.